Lady Bosses, I am back, and today I am here to introduce you to our newest, baddest, and the most versatile complexion product. One thing that truly motivated me to create this product was because during the pandemic, we were all forced to face new fears and go through different trials and tribulation. While facing my fears and not letting anything get in my way, I wanted to give the world something, something that was a reminder to people to always put their best foot forward and always be fearless. So after several months of creating, producing, being pregnant, having a baby, and on my birthday month, I am excited to introduce you to our Face Your Fears palette. This palette is inspired by the Fearless Girl statue that is facing the charging bull of the New York Stock Exchange. And this palette is here to empower women to face your fears daily. This collection comes in 4 shades, okay? And the most exciting thing is each shade reminds you on how to face your fears daily, okay? So we have the deep dark shade, which comes with a contour, which is identify your fears, a bronzer, approach it, the blush, accept it, all right, and the highlighter, overcome your fears. The next shade is the dark shade that also has same contour, bronzer, blush, and a highlighter, and this is pray about your fears, fight it, break it, and forget it. Sometimes you just have to forget about your fears. We have the medium shade, okay, and the medium shade has a contour called embrace it, all right? Embrace your fears, all right? Discuss it, control it, conquer it. Last but not the least is the light shade, and the light shade has define it. Define your fears, understand it, challenge it, and tame it. I love this quote. You open it and it just tells you the fears we don't face become our limits. You have to be limitless. And we are launching this collection with this dual-ended multi-purpose brush, and this side is amazing for your bronzer, and the other side is so perfect for your highlighting. I am so excited about this new launch, okay? And if you want to be one of the first people to try and get the best launch offers, make sure you click the link in my bio and sign up today. It's that simple. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!